Alright guys, right now we're going to be doing a quick inventory recap. And what this consists of is we're going to go ahead and go over a couple topics: inventory, branded phones, accessories, repair parts, and transfer inventory. All of this is good stuff to know, and you will have to know it. So here we go. So we're going to go ahead and go to reporting here on our B2B system. Once we get to the reporting, we're going to go ahead and hit these tabs to the left. We're going to go to reports. And as you guessed it, inventory. Alright, we're going to scroll down. We're going to go inventory quantity and cost. Select that. We're going to select the location that we want to be at. So today we're going to be working out of Lakeland. And we're going to go ahead and select Lakeland here. Out of all the products, we can select everything, or we can do devices. We'll hit OK. Now to show you a quick breakdown of what we have, total cost, what we want to do is we want to view this in a grid. Now that we have this in a grid, we're actually able to itemize everything by product ID. To be a lot quicker. So here it says we have an LG Gray serial number ending in 7458, for example. It's on a retail location, it's ours, we have one on hand, and it's sellable. Our total cost is $40. So now we could basically do this with any product. So we go here, we go to filters again, we choose departments, and now we want to do, let's say, repairs. We'll go to repairs here real quick, and we'll quickly hit OK. There we go. So we have everything broken down through components and quantity, as well as the cost. And that is how we do our inventory. Same thing translates for anything under pending, system, SIM cards, accessories. If you have any questions, please contact your admin administrator.